How to set the default value for streaming pool size. So of course you can change the streaming pool size over here. So I will show it to you. I will open the output log so we can see something. And here in the command line, if you will type air.streaming.pool size, so you will be able to change this value. As you can see in the white pop-up window, right now my pool size is 800. And if you will type over here something like, I don't know, 8,888, press enter, so you'll be able to see that your pool size has changed. And if you will search for it again, so you'll be able to see that our current value is 8,888. But this is just the temporal solution. It means that after I will restart the editor, so I will close it, I will open it again, and we will wait for a second. Now, when it will be loaded, basically it is loaded, I will clear the log again, and if we will type again for the streaming pool size, you will be able to see that our current value is back to 800, and this is not what we want. So we want to change this value permanently, and we can do this. We can set the default value for Unreal Engine texture streaming pool size. We will have to modify the default engine file. How to find it? So I'm going into the content browser, right click on any of the folders, and we will check for show in Explorer. So we are going to the default folder of our project, then we are double clicking on the config file, and here you will be able to find the default engine ini. Double click on it to open it. Usually it is opening into the notepad. So over here, you will do this into the render settings. So for example, this section ends over here. I'm clicking enter to go to the new line, and I will type exactly the same command. So this is r.streaming.pool size. And here, very careful, because we don't put space, but we are putting voila. And we are setting the size which we want. So let's say in this case, I will set 8,000. It will be my setting. We will save this file. I will just minimize this file because I will need to make the changes again. Okay, and to make these settings to work for the Unreal Engine, you will have to restart the editor. So I'm double click on it and I'm waiting for the restart. Okay, the editor is up, and after that, if you will type the command, so here in the white pop-up window, you will be able to see that our default setting has been changed to the 8,000, and this is what we want. But the important consideration about the performance and the settings, if you will set this pool size very large over here, so then it will negatively impact for your performance, especially if your GPU doesn't have enough VRAM. So I will double click on the scene which I need to open. Okay, and now my scene has been opened. This is the huge scene, and to avoid this issue with the GPU settings, with the GPU troubles with the performance, we will have to set up the correct value for our pool size. But how to find this correct value? So basically, this is not so difficult. So if you will type over here into the output log, if you will type the command start streaming, and we will select this one, we will press enter. So you'll be able to see that here on the top, you can see the settings, how many the pool size it is used, which setting is right now set up for you. So playing with the settings, you will be able to see which number is enough for you and which number will work perfectly. So this was everything about the pool size settings, and I hope that you really enjoyed this manual. If you like it, so please give me the like, subscribe to my channel to not miss the other manuals, and I hope to see you on my next video. So love all of you. Bye bye. By the way, I almost forgot to tell you that to switch off those stats so they will not be on your screen, you have to type exactly the same command. So you will just select this streaming, click enter, and it will disappear. So it was all for today.